Now, just to make sure that you know what you're doing, I'm going to walk through one of these for you. These are the files you need to download. You only need to do 2 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and select Lake Superior. Come on. Open that up. And you can see it has issues. And I will tell you all of them have issues. So we need to fix this. And the first thing we're going to do is use the ruler. Drag it across the top. And then we're going to use straighten layer. And then we're going to use our crop tool to get rid of that white left over from scanning. Let's say sometimes my computer goes kind of wonky when I've got the video on. It doesn't always like it. Okay, here we go. Try this again. Yep, didn't quite get all of it. Let me see. Now, if you zoom in pretty close, you can actually get pretty precise with cropping. And that's typically what I would do, because I tend to be a bit of a perfectionist with this kind of stuff. Okay, I'm going to press enter, zoom out. So that looks pretty good. So at this point, I've got it straightened and I've got it cropped. I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to create the web optimized image and the thumbnail. So I'm going to go to image, image size, and we're going to change it to 400. And maybe I'll just sharpen just a little bit. Click OK. And then we're going to go to File, Export, Export As. Make sure the format is JPEG. Now this is supposed to be web optimized, so we're shooting for a size of 50K. And I've got it at 100%, and it's a little bit less than 50K, so it's all good. I'm going to go ahead and click on Export. I'm going to call it Lake Superior Optimized. Make sure I get that in my Documents folder. And so now I've got the web optimized requirement in, and I'm going to next do the thumbnail. Now for the thumbnail, you know, if you guys want to be a little creative in here, okay, you can actually crop it, go into image size, adjust it to 200 after you crop it. And then we go to File, Export, Export As. And the goal on this one, make sure it's a JPEG, is to get it around 12K. Mine is 13. That's close enough. I'm going to go ahead and click on Export. Make sure it's going into Documents. And then I'm going to close this without saving the changes. Because if I save the changes, now I'm going to have this little weenie image instead of the nice big one. So I'm going to click on X. And no, I don't want to save my changes. Now you are going to need to do that for one more of my documents. Then you're going to have to take 2 of your own photos. You're going to web optimize, and then you're going to create the thumbnail. What you need to turn in are the 4 web optimized files and the 4 thumbnail files, the JPEGs. I don't need to see the Photoshop documents. All I need are the JPEGs. So you're going to have a total of 8 JPEG files that you will be sending me.